When you pull an Agrico implement across your fields, you know it's a machine you can rely on. Behind the robust frame and precise operation lies a manufacturing process that is just as impressive as the green machine itself. Each implement is carefully built with advanced craftsmanship in South Africa, so it not only brings a smile to your face, but also makes you proud to support local production. The road to quality. The production process of the HSD630. Every high-speed disc, the HSD630, starts as a concept. Agrico's team of engineers takes an idea, conducts thorough research, and produces a detailed design. This research forms the foundation for building and testing a prototype, allowing any potential issues to be identified and resolved early. Only once the test model proves itself, full-scale production is launched. Step 1. Quality raw material. Every implement begins with a locally sourced steel beams and plates, selected for their strength and suitability for challenging African conditions. This high-quality steel contributes to a stronger frame and a longer-lasting implement. Step 2. Processing raw material. The steel is cut, milled, and bent using advanced CNC machines and laser cutting technology. Using the latest manufacturing technology, this ensures precision and minimal waste. Design engineers write programs used throughout the process to guarantee that every component of each new implement meets the same high-quality standards. Precision during manufacturing is critical for a durable implement that works effectively and requires minimal maintenance. Step 3. Welding components. The CNC machined and bent parts are assembled in the welding section using jigs to ensure an accurate product with structural integrity. Every task is checked by experienced foremen to ensure the frame has maximum rigidity for years of reliable service. Step 4. Sub-assemblies and painting. Components such as discs, tines, and rollers are prepared and painted before all parts of the implement are assembled. The painting process includes 2 layers of primer and 2 layers of Agrico green paint, ensuring not only a neat finish but also protection against rust. Step 5. Final assembly. All components are put together to produce a complete implement. Rollers and other moving parts are installed and calibrated according to specifications for optimal performance. Before leaving the factory, every implement is thoroughly tested and inspected to ensure it meets the required standards. Local manufacturing allows the Agrico team to respond more effectively to any issues, feedback, or observations. The English expression "mind the shop" applies here. Businesses that manufacture locally are directly involved in every step of the production chain. They can see how a product performs, how the manufacturing process flows, and what feedback customers provide, allowing accurate and rapid adjustments where needed. Agrico's High Speed Disc is not just an implement, it is the end product of technology, dedication, and local pride. From frame to field ready, every step is carefully considered and purposeful. That's how you know you're getting an implement built to last.